Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Yes, in today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 29th, 2024, we have a problem. Yes, I've solved all the puzzles, four puzzles, but one of them I've not recorded. There's this one. I forgot to push the red button to record. So there's a big problem to upload this puzzle. So Houston, we have a major problem. Yes. What I've done, I've printed the PDF file of this puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. This will be 8100. Yes, 8101. So sometimes, yeah, you've done a lot of puzzles, and sometimes you forget to push the button. So I've not recorded and cannot find the puzzle. All right, 8100. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 26 printed digits. Yeah. And before I start, I always count. Well, 26. Usually the 3 stars. This is a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars. The 3 stars has always 25, but this one has 26. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But with the 26, one digit more, should be 2 stars, and for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, 2 minutes already passed. So I need to hurry. Which number can I pick? Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and a 9 in this big square. So no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in that. Oh. We have a pair. 3 and 8 in this row. 3 and 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then 8, 8. 8, 8. Well. We have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for those 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Well. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the first column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. How about the number 174? 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the second column should be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes in there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. Then 1, 1. Then need a 6 here. Let me see. 2 here. 5 and 6. Alright. Okay. Need 4 here. Come on, need a 1 here. I'm thinking. 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 here also. 1. Need a 3. Need a 6. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2. Come on. 5 and 6. Need an 8 there. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the first row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Need a 4 here. 4, 7, 3. Need a 4 there. I need a 4 here, okay. Need a 3. And I need a 6. So 6 here. Need a 6 here, okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 6, need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the second row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7, should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4, 4. Need a 6. Alright, 1 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, so need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. So we have the 6 and the 3 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, let me think. 7. Come on. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Well. Come on. I need a 3 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. The 6 here. We have a pair. The 3 and the 6 in this column. The 3 and the 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 4 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with 8 as a pair. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes in there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 cannot continue with the 6. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes in there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. Then let me see, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, minus 2 minutes. Well, definitely get 2 stars. And we solve it again. And yes, it's recorded. I've pushed the button, the red button to record. Anyway, I've enjoyed this puzzle. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow then. Yeah, the other puzzles are solved. This one I will upload it. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Tomorrow we have a speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.